Pinoy. Today I'm just making a simple lei project. This is a single braided lei, but this is a double ribbon. Left side is double ribbon and right side is a single ribbon. So you see, as you guys can see, I have two different colors in here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start. So this goes in the back like how we normally do it. Goes in the back like that. Okay, and then the shiny part is in the inside. You guys notice? Okay, let me flip that. Sorry about that. So shiny part has to be in the inside. Okay, let's start. We insert the next one in here. You guys will see the nice effect of this color because we have two different type of color ribbon on the left side. You guys will see it. It'll look really nice. As you guys can see, I don't normally tie the bottom part. I always start loose because later on when we finish this product or this lei, it's easy for us to work with it. You want to loosen it up later on when we're done. On that end, we can always do that easily. Okay, so this is just a basic braiding. Left to right, don't make it too tight, don't make it too loose, just perfect enough to hold together. So what we have here is about 4.5 yards. That's just the basic size of lei, and we're using the 3/8 satin ribbons in here. Okay, again 4.5 yards and a 3/8 satin ribbon. But if you want it longer, you can go either 5 or 5.5. It depends on the height of the person, but this particular 4.5 yard ribbon is for like between maybe 5 to 5.3, 5.4. See how nice is that, guys? Really simple. Okay, so there we have it. It's easy, left to right, pulling it, not so tight, just enough to hold on to each other. If you want it different colors when you have another project, you can actually use any color, but it depends on the occasion or what color the person wants, you know, or what school color they have or they used. It's all up to the person that you're giving it to. This is actually not really just for graduation, it's for any occasion, really. And it's the simplest lei ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a pass forward for you guys, okay? Show it to you guys how it looks. So this is the white part, you can see it, and this is the other part of the color. We have this color which is underneath, and then we have this color which is the one on the top. See, the shiny part is coming out on the outside, and then on the inside is non-shiny. You guys can see it. See the difference on the side, the center, and the other side. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and finish it up with the bow. Okay? Okay, so we actually are now done. So what we do is, since we are nearing the end of the ribbon, what we do is this part right here, instead of inserting this, we're gonna pull this one all the way, so it will lock everything in. Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and finishing it up by, normally I would go overlap it like this, but no, I'm gonna tie it this time. See, you don't want that to be like that. So when you tie it, you have to hold each end that way. You have to kind of support it or secure it with your fingers and then tie it, because we don't want, see, we don't want the other side to be showing. So you want to make sure you're, let's redo that, because you don't want a messed up lay. So okay, that way and that way, then you secure it with your finger and you tie it. Okay, see how we have them in both direction, not twisted like that. You don't want that. Okay, and now we can now put our bow on the top of our pre-made bow. Just go ahead and tie it once, twice, and then all you have to do is trim the ends and you are good to go. Trim it, trim it. Okay. Trim the other end. And there you have it, our finished product. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Aloha, mahalo, and salamat po. God bless.